Hi guys, welcome back. This is here. I'm showing it. I'm at one of my. Look how cute that is. Look at that cat. I am at one of my cousin's house. They don't own this pet. Nobody in the street does. They're just here and they go around in every house. Isn't that so cute? It's so cute. Look at her. And today's shout out goes to Rahul Aurora, and if you want a shout out, just subscribe, like, and comment, and do a nice comment down below. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna try and get a little more closer. Now she's going through there. Keep your eyes open. She's hiding in those bushes. See, now she's gone through that little gap. And she's gone. Bye guys. See you next time.